All right, I want you to guess right now, what do you think the coldest place is in the natural universe? Think about all the places in space that you've ever seen. Which one is the coldest? Nope, it's not deep space. It's not Pluto. It's not those permanently shadowed craters on the moon or Mercury. It's this, the Boomerang Nebula. And it is colder than empty space itself. Hold on, that should be impossible. What is going on here? The Boomerang Nebula is about 5,000 light years away from Earth. In 1995, when scientists measured the temperature of the Boomerang Nebula, they discovered that it was just 1 Kelvin, 1 degree above absolute zero. Just to put this temperature into some kind of perspective, because this is way beyond what you and I typically experience, we are talking about being in a space that is 200 degrees Celsius colder than dry ice, a place that makes our Antarctica look like an oven. Now, what is really weird is if you just measure the temperature of deep space, just the background, the cosmic background radiation, it's 2.7 Kelvin. So how on earth does this nebula get colder than empty space itself? Well, the answer is with this electronics duster. It is an air can. And when you spray it, you might have noticed that the can itself and the gas that comes out is actually cold. And the more you spray it, the colder this can gets. This is called adiabatic cooling. When gas expands very rapidly, it cools down. And the same thing is happening inside the Boomerang Nebula. Gas is being ejected at over 160 kilometers a second, and that rapid expansion is sucking the heat right out of it. And the result is the coldest natural place we have ever found. Now, most nebulae, like the Orion Nebula or the Crab Nebula, when scientists have measured the temperature there, they have found them to be hundreds or even thousands Kelvin. So the Boomerang Nebula is in a class all its own. Now, I keep saying the term it's the coldest place we found in the natural universe because humans have been able to artificially create places that are even colder. A quantum computer, for example, can get even colder than the Boomerang Nebula, but the thing is, we had to use magnets and lasers and vacuum chambers to be able to achieve something that is just happening in this nebula. It's just one of those reminders that sometimes space is way weirder than science fiction. Now, if you're fascinated by some of the extremes that we have found in the universe, you should check out my video on neutron stars, the heaviest objects in our universe. It is the complete opposite kind of extreme, but it'll blow your mind. And if space exploration like this excites you, be sure to hit that subscribe and that bell icon. Thanks for watching.